This is presentation about reading the Quran properly with Tajweed rules using the Tajweed Guide to Read Write series, part 1, part 2, and the kids book. So if you don't know me, this is Niveen Assam, the author of the books. I started to study the Tajweed in 2005. I finished the 4 years of Da'wah Institute. I studied advanced Tajweed course for 2 years with Sheikha Huda. I joined the Memorization Institute in 2012. I specialized in a proper course, how to do the Ada Qur'ani or how to read properly for 2 years and a half. And I've been teaching Tajweed since 2010. Alhamdulillah, I received 2 certificates for Ijaza. After working for many years as a Quran teacher, I recognized the need for the simplified and practical book for teaching Tajweed. Designed the syllabus consists of 2 books for adults. The book 1, the main book. Anyone have to study this book first because this is the base, how to do the rules of Tajweed. Then when you finish it, you move to the second book, and now the tutorial videos for the second book is available on Facebook group. Then if you feel that you really want the basic only, or if you have kids, so you could use the Tajweed Guide to Read Write for Kids. This is for the kids to focus on the basic rules, or for anyone who don't want to study lots of rules, so he just need to study the basic only. The Noor Ul Bayan, this is how we start from the scratch and with the spelling the letters from the beginning, the name of the alphabet. You could use it at all with book 1, but if you use the kids book, you don't need it because it's already included in the book. About the course and the book 1, the order of the lesson in this book is completely different from any other Tajweed book because the syllabus depends on learning 8 main surahs. These surahs, as you see here, each surah we learn something. So we start with learning the rules. After we finishing the Noor Ul Bayan book, we start to learn the Basmala, and from Basmala we will learn the types of Mad Ta'arid. Then from Surah Al-Ikhlas we will learn the types of Mad Al-Sila, the Noon Sakin rules and Tanween. All this from Surah Al-Ikhlas. When you finish Surah Al-Falaq and Surah Al-Nas, you cover these rules again. So Mad Ta'arid, Sila Sughra, Noon rules. Then from Surah Al-Fatiha you will learn the Mad Lazim. From Surah Al-Masad we will start another Mad, it's called Mad Munfasil. Then in Surah Al-Nasr you will learn another 2 types of Mad, which is Mad Muttasil and Mad Al-Badal. Then by the end or the last surah, which is Surah Quraysh, you will learn these types of rules, the Mad Al-Leen, the Mad Al-Badal, and the Mim Sakin. After finishing these rules, this is what you need, or this is the basic rules that you need to read any surah from Quran. After you finish this, of course, you will find that you could open any page from Quran and read it with applying these rules easily. The qira'ah that we used in this book is Hafsa an Asim min Tariq al-Shatibiyya. The book Tajweed Guide to Read Write Part 1 divided into Section 1 that covers the Arabic number and the different forms of the sign in the Quran, the harakat, the mad letters, the tanween, the skoon, the shadda, all the sign that you need to read. And then after we perfect how to read this sign, we move to Section 2, and this is depends on how to spell the letters out in the Quran by applying the Tajweed rules with Arabic terminology. For example, from Isti'adha and Basmala, you will learn these things. The rules of Lam in the Lafz al-Jalala, Allah and Allahumma, what to do with them. The rules of Ra, when you have to apply it heavy or light. The stopping rules. And the type of Mad Ta'arid al-Sukun when you stop on the last letter. From Surah Al-Ikhlas, as we mentioned, you will learn how to apply Qalqala on the last letter. How to apply the Mad Al-Sila Sughra, this is small tiny wow. How to do the rules of Noon Sakin and Tanween, the 4 rules of Idhar Halqi, Ikhfa Haqiqi, Idgham and Iqlab. From Surah Al-Fatiha, we will add a new type of Mad, which is we call it Mad Lazim Kalimi Muthaqqal, 6 harakat. How to apply it, how to recognize this type of Mad, and how to apply the Nabr in some words. From Surah Quraysh, the Surah Quraysh covers many rules. From these rules, how to apply the Mad al-Badal and recognize it, the Mad al-Leen, the rules of Mim, the Idhar Shafawi, Ikhfa Shafawi, or Idgham Shafawi. The other rules that we will learn from the book and this course: the مد البدل, مد العوض, the levels of غنة or مراتب الغنة, and the مد الصلة, the صلة صغرى and كبرى, the 7 ألفات, the speed of reading or مراتب القراءة, the types of لحن or the types of mistakes in reading, the مد متصل واجب and the مد منفصل جائز, the types of يا and واو ساكن in Qur'an, the لينية and the مدية 1, plus special words for حفظ. At the end of the course, congratulations, because Alhamdulillah, you will be able to open any page from the Holy Quran to read and recognize any rules of the Quran easily. For book 1, you will find most of the tutorial lessons available on the YouTube channel. For book 2, it will be special for the people who bought the book 2. They could join and have access to this free lesson on the Facebook group. Just message me and inshallah I will add them. I hope you get benefits from this course. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.